Hello, my name is Irina Tostanovskaya. I'm a student at UPROCK Design School. Today, I will present to you a project I worked on as part of my education, the redesign of the Monica Vinader jewelry online store. On the screen, you can see screenshots of the initial appearance of the website. I had the following tasks. The first, give the design individuality, making it stand out among competitors. The second, the website should sell. It was necessary to change the order of presenting information and the way it is conveyed to the buyer, making it easier for them to make a purchase decision. Downsides of the old Monica Vinader website. The usual black and white style does not reflect the uniqueness of the brand. Text hierarchy is not worked out, lacking a narrative and structured presentation of information. Some part of pages of the site there are no work with text at all. It looks like work documents are usually designed, making it challenging for the buyer to find important information. The site does not allow the formation of an association between the brand and the logo, so that later the long name can be replaced with a laconic, universally recognizable symbol. Why using such a site is inconvenient for users? A large number of goods immediately attacks the buyer from the first page, making it difficult to choose. To answer the buyer's basic question about the product, warranty, certificate, a search on the site is required. Contacts for customer support are not easily accessible. With the brand expanding to foreign markets, excessive text complicates communication with buyers. In many cases, the issue can be resolved by visualization. However, there is a good foundation for the new website: high-quality photos, a well-developed marketing history, and understanding of the target audience by the brand. Let's talk about the general style of the redesigned site. The central challenge and basis were the color. I wanted to choose, on the one hand, a combination of colors that would become a beautiful and worthy frame for a photo of the product, but on the other hand, would not draw attention to itself. The choice was made in favor of shades of carmine pink, linen, and soft salmon, conveying vibrance and passion, and to move away from the template black, white, and gold palette. A simple grotesque font emphasized beauty and brightness, adding conciseness and balance to the design. Minimalistic design, simple, smooth lines, and bright accents created a recognizable and modern aesthetic, setting the jeweler website apart. Work was done with text arrays, breaking them into convenient blocks, making it easy for the user to grasp the entire line. Accents are highlighted or visualized. User-oriented information, logistic details, and certifications are easily accessible, demonstrating transparency in the company's operations. I use the familiar four-column grid for online shoppers. It's versatile, providing a convenient proportion for product cards, photo sizes, and typography. And it's convenient to place any other content in such a grid. It will be easy for the user to add new information already having a simple and understandable rhythm at hand. The stage of work were as follows. The first stage involved the analytical part, a brief, competitive analysis, and the creation of a technical task. I initially determined why the creators consider the product unique and what value they want to share with buyers. I then studied how their competitors convey their value and what is new in online marketing in general. Based on a detailed analysis of data, a technical task was formed. The next step was working with references as essential part of the process. Clear understanding of which details in what order you plan to compile saves hours of work in the future. I confess that a couple of times I tried to ignore this stage. The result was more hours spent on independent searches that could have been solved at the stage of well-chosen references. Next is the visual concept. Perhaps this is the turning point where the result of the work becomes clear, and it's only a matter of technical skills to develop versions for different devices and interactive prototype and video presentations. The project was implemented based on the following. The brand focuses on creating beautiful, elegant, and concise jewelry, caring about nature and customers. The resulting website reflects these values, which were considered during its creation. The menu under significant improvements for user convenience. The two-level menu is designed with links grouped on the left side to introduce customer to various aspects of the company. The center features the logo and brand name for better recall, especially since the brand is relatively young and expanding internationally. On the left, functional icons that become signed when hovering. The second row is provided for the catalog. Hovering over the shop reveals an additional menu with various jewelry groups, and hovering over a group generates a photo displaying the jewelry of that specific group. Homepage has been redesigned to cater both loyal customers and new visitors. Popular items are immediately visible for those familiar with the brand, while new visitors can explore the blog about the brand, founder, and the values embedded in the product's creation. The inclusion of details like a 5 years warranty, the ability to trace metal origin, and engravity options is not just slogan but instills confidence in the purchase and provides ideas for personalization. The goal was to make each block unique, complementing the textual content with vibrant photos that reflect the essence of each section. These elements were packaged into accordions with compelling headlines. This approach aimed to engage visitors and generate interest, enticing them to explore the website further and ideally transition from a visitor to a customer. Working with details was particularly interesting. For instance, the brand has earring-piercing sounds, and this information was previously included in a standard ad banner at the bottom. The new approach involved placing this information on the relevant catalog page, specifically the ironing section. Additionally, an icon was added to the menu, which, when hovered over, displays a clear pop-up with photos and schedules. These improvements could serve as a foundation for a mobile app. So the web design was become unique and memorable in its segment. Improved menus and its navigation facilitate users in finding desired products and making purchases easily. The combination of these factors creates a positive experience for buyers, encouraging their return and positive recommendations. The project presentation is available on dProfile and Behance. Videos related to the project are available on Dribbble, and all links are provided in the description. I would be grateful if you take a look and leave feedbacks. Thank you for your time. Bye.